Hello everyone, it's Muhammad Kokoblado. Welcome to this video. This video is just an introduction to a program that I'll be doing probably once in a week or twice in a week, and it's going to focus mainly on passive income. Okay, the reason I'm doing this is most of you guys who are watching me are TBCians, okay? And as TBCians, most of us got into TBC as a way to make extra income apart from what we're currently doing. And we are seeing it as a ticket to getting us to, that extra income and that extra cushion, and also as a way to create wealth without us physically getting involved. And that is what brought me to teach you guys this. And also another reason for doing this is there's a lot of scam out there, okay, trying to tell you there are, come and make money daily through Bitcoin, or earn this amount daily through Bitcoin, and so many other schemes out there. The reason I'm doing this is to show you guys how you are going to create a passive income for yourself in two ways. One is through activity and one is with your money. During the process of these interviews, I might bring in some people to teach you that we're going to ask questions on how to make money passively with your money. Okay, and that would involve you making investment in things like money market fund, discovery fund, legit ways of making you money, okay, without actually you doing physical activity. That is your money making money for you. So like I say, this is just an introductory video, and in the subsequent videos to come, I'll be talking on two types of passive income. One is through activity, okay, then the other is through your money working for you. Okay, so these are the things that are going to come subsequently in the coming video. Okay, now this is what is happening right now. Okay, the information is going to be below the description, so make sure you read the description section of this video. Okay, I'm currently doing a weekly training on how to generate income through Android apps and get paid by Google. Okay, and in that class, the entry fee to that class is 1,000 naira. Okay, 1,000 naira, 1,000 naira only to that class. Okay, it's a 2-day session. It's not run by me alone. I have a partner in this who is also good in his own aspect of this. Okay, and he is going to share his own information, and I'm going to share my own knowledge too on the WhatsApp that we're going to use for this. Okay, so all you have to do is go through the instruction below. Okay, you can chat me if you are interested. Okay, and I'll tell you how to make the payment. Now, because you are a TBCian, okay, because most of you guys are watching me at TBCians, I'm going to give you the opportunity to come in to the program 50-50. Okay, if it was only me, I would have said okay 100% TBC. Okay, but since I have a partner involved in this, okay, we are willing to do 50-50. That's 50% TBC, 50% cash. Okay, meaning you pay 500 naira in TBC, 500 naira in cash. Okay, but I have to find out also. I still have to find out if it's possible to make payment below up to 500 naira with TBC, because the dollar valuation, the dollar. Let me check this. The dollar equivalent to 500 naira should be. Where's my calculator? Sorry about that. Divided by 360, for example, that's $1.38. I don't know if we can send $1.38, but I'll just do a trial and notify you guys for those who are interested if it's still possible. If it's possible, we'll go 50-50, 50% TBC, 50% cash. If it's not possible, okay, I'll still let you guys know when you contact me. But the link is below, the information is below, okay, and you have to chat me, okay, chat me up to show that you're interested and for you to get the details to make your payment. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video with every single person who is related to you, who is a technician, who wants to make extra income, okay, who wants to, learn some of the things that I know, because I have been blessed to have gone through the process of network marketing, affiliate marketing, web design, app, entering Google, all these things, okay, and I'm willing to share it with you guys, and because you guys are important to me, okay, because without you guys, I won't be doing this, okay, because you guys are important to me, I'm willing to do some concessions for you guys, okay, and that is why I'm bringing this information, this education to you guys, because I've been scammed myself, okay, not once, not twice, okay, and I don't want to wish that on somebody else. That's why I'm sharing with you guys the legit and ways, okay, the legit ways and genuine ways for you to actually generate income passively. So guys, see you in my next videos, and pay attention, because when these programs, this is going to be rolled out, only those who are subscribed to this channel will have the opportunity to see this video, unless you subscribe later, or probably you're not subscribed but you saw the video. So guys, till then, take care, bye for now. And I apologize for the quality of my writing and the poor marker. All this will improve over time, since this is something we are doing newly. Okay, so take care guys, bye for now.